though we dodged all those bumps coming in here. Welcome to the San Francisco International Airport, home of Alcatraz, the Golden Gate Bridge, and Rice-A-Roni. Local time, 7:58. We are 21 minutes ahead of schedule. Let's just hope our gate is not occupied and there's someone to meet us at the gate. We will be taxiing for a few more minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your one and only indication that it's safe for you to be up and about collecting your personal belongings. It's now okay for you to use your cell phones. However, all other portable electronic devices do need to remain off until you're well within the terminal building. Please refrain from smoking until you're well outside the state of California or until you're in a designated smoking area. Before leaving us today, make sure you have all of your personal belongings. Anything left on the aircraft will be evenly distributed amongst the flight attendants. We do not accept spouses or children. Use caution when opening those overhead bins as the contents tend to shift. If you don't watch your head, please watch your language. There's children aboard. Folks, if we did have to check your bag in plain sight, you will collect those bags at baggage claim. If we had to tag a stroller, which there were quite a few of them, those will be right outside the aircraft, and they are the first things to come out from the cargo bin. So they'll be right up as soon as possible. For those of you making connections to the United Express, or Star Alliance partner flights, please check the television departure monitors and proceed directly to your gate. If you have a boarding pass with a seat assignment, you need not check in. Just wait for the customer service agents to announce the seating area printed in the center of your ticket. If you're unfamiliar with the airport, there's a detailed diagram in the back of the Hemispheres magazine. Please feel free to take this with you. Folks, there is new procedures here. If you are connecting to United International flights, some of them are in the international terminal. At one point, you used to have to take a bus over there or exit security and clear security a second time. You no longer have to do that. We have built a causeway from the domestic terminal to the international terminal, so that's just a straight shot for you. And if you are connecting onto continental flights, those are in a different terminal. Please follow the signs overhead and located throughout the terminal for connections to the continental terminal. I believe that's in Terminal 1, and it's a really long walk. Otherwise, we provide buses over there, and you will not have to clear security a second time. And this is the 107th year of manned aviation. The 54,000 employees of United would like to say thanks for flying with us. It's been our pleasure and privilege to serve you for over 85 years. We hope the next time you realize it's time to fly, you'll think of us once again at United. Good day.